Hey guys, today I'm still enjoying my vacations here at San Gerardo, and today I will hike the trails of the waterfall. So let's see if we find a good bird. Let's go. This is a beautiful trail in the one you can hike and go birding. It's pretty. I like it. Yeah. Yeah, I do. It looks like yellow with yellow with brown. It's a cool bird. I like it. This is the Savegre River, and it's known to be the cleanest river in all Costa Rica. It starts high on the Talamanca Mountains, and it ends on the Pacific coast, close to Quepos. Yes. On our trip, we found this fungus. We don't know what it is, so we'll try to identify it when we get home. I like the color. During this hike, my dad is also recording bird sounds. Unfortunately, we couldn't reach the waterfall because it was too long. But I hope one day I can come back and continue recording to make of this a cool video. So hope to do that and see you next video. Bye.